What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy CJ522 once again here. And like I said, and like I promised, I was gonna bring you guys, the cooking video with the HelloFresh unboxing. And as you can see on the screen, this is the ingredients for the pork and veggie bibimbap. So me and my sister got down in the kitchen, so you'll see how it goes. But yeah, you can see the ingredients. There's the garlic, there's ginger, there's white vinegar, there's sesame oil, there's rice, and the sriracha, of course. So that's a little sneak peek of what's going on. It's a quick meal, really quick meal. As you can see, the first step is washing the nice old veggies. They were smelling great, colorful and everything. Make sure to wash them, rinse them, dry them. Yeah, and then you just get to chop them up, do your thing. The scallions were pretty fun to chop, not gonna lie. It takes a while. It does take a while. I feel like the prep time takes longer than the cooking time, because it's just for the sake of the video, I was doing each component part by part.
The onions are no joke, cause they got me crying over a bitch. Not gonna lie, god damn, that's just a scallion. That's not even an onion. So shit. Let's keep going. Yeah.
Yeah, so now we move on to the zucchini, and man, let me tell you, I go crazy for some zucchini, cause man, that's one of my favorite veggies. And if I was y'all and you guys are actually trying cooking this, I would cook the zucchini. I would cut the zucchini in even slices, so it could cook pretty well. It might probably cook pretty well, but as you can see, some parts didn't cook enough as others, and some got burnt as compared to others. But also for the rice, if you see it sticky, just add a little bit of water, just a little bit. And the carrots, you gotta go brazy with the peeler, as you can see. And yeah, there's my peas. We're gonna feed them for the one time, and then feed the carrot. There you go. Have a good night's sleep. And carrot as a hat. All right, yeah. And then we move into the pickled scallion. And honestly, I thought we were gonna cook with the white vinegar. I thought we were gonna skillet it some, or put it in a pot or the rice. But no, it's just for pickled scallions. That's all the vinegar is for. And then you have the sauce right here. It's sriracha with sesame oil and soy sauce and a tablespoon of sugar. Yeah, sugar. Honestly, I did not know that this is. I think this is teriyaki sauce. I don't know, but it's sweeter than a motherfucker, and it's brazy. It goes down. It goes, it really goes pretty well with the dish. So yeah, it's pretty good system. Pretty good system. Make sure to mix that shit. Whip it on the pot, whip it on the bowl, whatever you have. Make sure the sugar liquefies, and it's not solid. It's not how I just dumped it. So yeah. Pretty well, you see me going brazy right there, like I told y'all that you're supposed to go. So yeah, pretty good meal, not gonna lie, pretty good meal. Is it worth it for the first meal as of right now? Yeah. Like I said, the prep time was just the time that took longer. The cook time was pretty damn fast. So here you go, you get your pan, you put the carrots, and then you get another pan, you put your zucchini, and you start going brazy on those things. Make sure for the carrots to be nice and soft and have a little crispy color to it. And for the zucchini, you just gotta make sure they're brown and kind of still yellowish. You season to taste. I didn't show my seasoning because I'm a dumbass and I forgot to record it. But you season to taste, salt and pepper, whatever. Do not go beyond an extra and add paprika, basil. Sometimes I usually do that. I go brazy and extra, but you don't have to go that crazy on this kind of dishes. I'm following a recipe. And that's the thing that I like about HelloFresh. They make every dish. I'm talking like I fucking cook every single dish, but this dish in particular, it was pretty simple. The recipe is pretty simple, and if a dumbass like me could manage through without burning the whole damn kitchen, then I think you guys got it. But as you can see right now, we put in the pork, and then put in the ginger, and you gotta put the garlic, and then you just go brazy. Obviously you gotta spread the pork around, make sure it's in bits. You don't want a big ass loaf of pork. It's not gonna cook well. And with pork, you gotta cook it extra well. You don't want to get sick. Trust me, it's not good getting foot sick. But after that, you just put the soy sauce on top and just go to town with it, man. You just get one soy. I dropped the shit right there. But anyway, you just get one soy sauce packet. Half for the sauce and half for the pork, and man, it works great. It balances pretty well, so it's not that sweet and it's not that spicy. So it's just pretty. It hits the spot. It really does. I honestly thought it was a teriyaki ball, but no, it's it's pork and veggie bibimbap. But yeah, you just go to town with the pork. Let it season, whatever, and yeah, about that, you gotta season the pork too. I didn't show it, but you gotta season the pork as well. It's pretty mild, soy sauce and the garlic and all that. It's just gonna not, it's gonna taste unseasoned. So make sure to season your pork. But then after that, you're done. That's all you need. Once your pork is cooked, you start savoring yourself a plate. Go to town with it. Put the carrots on the side. If you want to be extra, you could deep fry an egg and put it on top. You can add more vegetables to it, to be honest, bell peppers. But you just put the sriracha, the scallions. You can't not forget the scallions. But my dumbass almost forgot the sauce, and I was about to eat it right there in the spot. But no, you can't eat it without the sauce. I'll tell you guys that it's just gonna taste plain. It's just gonna taste like you're just eating veggies and rice. I'm not kidding. But yeah, you just put the sauce and you just go to town. And hopefully this video, you guys enjoy it. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon, and probably you guys will see me, take a taste of it. Yeah.
Before trying it out, I just want to point it out, and I want to say thanks to my neighbor. We get a free coffee, and our favorite from the Latino part, a cleaning supply box. So that's pretty dope. We get a free thing on the side, so that's pretty cool. Thank you. You already know who you are. I'm gonna put your username right here again. But let's see how this shit tastes though. Let me try to get everything in one scoop. It went the wrong hole, but muy delicioso. That shit good though.